Top 3 Best Gaming PC 2025. The world of gaming has reached unimaginable heights, and having the right gaming PC is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity for immersive experiences, smooth gameplay, and ultimate performance. Gaming PCs in 2025 are pushing the boundaries with cutting-edge technology, futuristic designs, and the ability to handle even the most demanding titles with ease. Whether you're a professional gamer or a casual enthusiast, these gaming PCs are designed to take your adventures to the next level. MSI Vision Elite RS Gaming PC. The MSI Vision Elite RS Gaming PC is a powerhouse designed for gamers who demand nothing but the best. Packed with the latest Intel Core i9 processor and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 graphics card, this piece delivers jaw-dropping performance, capable of running 4K games at ultra settings without breaking a sweat. Every element of this PC screams efficiency, from its advanced liquid cooling system to its high-speed DDR5 RAM, ensuring zero lag and lightning-fast load times. What sets the Vision Elite RS apart is its versatility for both gamers and creators. Its sleek, futuristic design isn't just about aesthetics. It's crafted with optimized airflow to keep temperatures low during intense gaming marathons. RGB lighting adds a customizable glow that matches your vibe, while MSI's user-friendly Dragon Center software lets you tweak performance settings with ease. Whether you're diving into a fast-paced FPS, exploring open-world RPGs, or streaming content, this PC is an absolute game-changer. Novatech Phantom 2.0 Gaming PC. The Novatech Phantom 2.0 Gaming PC is a masterpiece of engineering, designed for gamers who crave a perfect balance between power and style. Featuring AMD's Ryzen 9 processor and an AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX graphics card, this rig ensures buttery smooth gameplay and stunning visuals, even for the most graphically demanding games. The Phantom 2.0 also comes with a massive 2TB NVMe SSD and 32GB of DDR5 RAM, making it a multitasking marvel that handles gaming, streaming, and editing like a pro. This gaming PC's design is as striking as its performance. The tempered glass case showcases its neatly arranged RGB-lit components, making it a centerpiece for any gaming setup. Additionally, it's built with upgradability in mind, allowing you to easily swap out components as newer technology becomes available. The Phantom 2.0 is a perfect choice for those who want a future-proof investment that delivers unparalleled gaming thrills while being ready for whatever comes next. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.